Hello everybody. Well, I'm in Torquay today on the English Riviera. After my trip to London a couple of weeks ago, I thought I'd try some similar photography in my more local area. Now, behind me there's a nice footbridge and I'm on an old Victorian pier, and there's plenty of nice architecture around here. So it's about 10 o'clock in the morning on one of the hottest days of the year. We're now experiencing our third heat wave here in the UK, and this is going to mean some black and white and maybe some high key photography. So let's see what we can find, shall we? Well, I really quite like this shot, looking along the pier with all these old lights. Lovely leading line. So what I think I'm going to try is get one of the lights in the foreground, then have a shallow depth of field to blur out the ones that lead off into the distance. I might actually get closer to the seating here. If you get down, all I have to do is sit down. Lovely shot. Well, I've left the pier. Let's go and have a look at the harbour, where I know there's a bridge that might give us some images. Well, this footbridge across the entrance to the harbour is always a nice place. Some nice leading lines. At night there's some colourful lights, but during the day some harsh sunlight, some nice leading lines, and shadows, although the footplate is a little bit noisy, as you can hear. Well, I think this is the first time I've photographed this bridge in the daylight, and the bright sun on that steelwork really looks nice. I might just try and get the steelwork against the sky. Shame about some of the flags in the foreground. Could do without those. So I'm just come over to this fountain just to get a little bit of relief from the heat. There's some shade about, but not much. Photography wise, filming with the Sony, I've had to push up the f-stop all the way up to f20. Haven't bothered putting a ND filter on it today. I can just about manage. And taking photographs, well, I've been just putting the shutter speed up, which has been fine. That's better. Found a better shade. Sorry about the big wheel behind my head, but this is the only free spot I could find. Getting really busy now. Well outside my comfort zone, same as I was when in London. King's Cross was a different experience for me. Nice to be out in my local area though, and trying something similar. A lot of holidaymakers here this time of year, so they're not too fussed about me taking photos. I know back home in Brixham I'd probably struggle a bit with friends seeing me walking around. but I am enjoying just trying a little bit of urban, or more urban photography down by the seaside. And it definitely has that seaside vibe today. But as you can hear, very noisy, a lot going on. Well, as I'm trying to take some decent photos, I'm also trying out this new sling bag by K&F CONCEPT. Now, they haven't sponsored this video. I've bought this with my own money, but I'm on a trip to Ho Chi Minh City and then Hong Kong soon, so I bought this just to fit in my DJI mics, my camera and a couple of lenses, and also the Pocket 2 I normally film with. So far working out well. Well, it's still very bright. As you can see, there's some money's worth of yachts in the harbour here. Anyway, I'm heading back along the front where there's some giant pebbles on the pavement. And with this harsh light, maybe there's a shot there. Should be some shadows, and maybe people walking past them. Who knows? Let's see if I've got the guts to use my camera in front of people. London was easy, but here in Torquay, people are much more aware of you with a camera. Let's have a look, shall we? Well, there's the pebbles, but as you can see, it's in quite a busy area. But without the cars, maybe that's a shot. Well, last location of the day, and I may have left it a bit late. As you can see, lovely footbridge, but there is a lot of people crossing. I'm sure you can see why I'm drawn to this bridge. This is a nice sweeping curve with those white stripes on the walkway. But the only good shot I got of the day, this was taken in the winter when there were a few less people, but I do like all these curves of the bridge and the restaurant building in the background. And this is what I was hoping for today, looking towards the horizon and just using the curves of the bridge. Well, I think I'm going to call it there. It's getting very busy now, as you can see. Left it a bit late to go to the bridge and take photos there. Still harsh, light, and I think I'll get myself a nice coffee and have a bit of a relax. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next week. But for now, cheerio.